navigation glasses on. Where you going? Where you going?
Vegas.
Oh, you going to Vegas for the weekend?
Yeah.
Oh, snap. Record that. Record the clip. Wow, come on, man.
Guys, okay. So we need to take one
Arizona.
step. We're gonna have to take one step until we're in Arizona. Ready?
We're in Arizona now.
Ready?
Again.
3, 2. We're in Arizona. Finally, we made it there. Can we stop now?
Yan, pakita mo sa kanila yung ano,
Hi
tubig.
guys, so this is, we're at the dam.
Whoa, right here. Tignan mo to.
And we're gonna show you
Tignan mo.
everything.
Tignan mo to. Yan o to.
Da, 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 da.
Wow.
Get that back. Good, Mama. There we go. Says Anson Smith, 1860 to 1930. Oh, shot.
Yeah, no, picture. Video.
Hi.
What's this say?
It says, welcome to Hooverdale.
What?
Welcome to what?
Yeah, no, Hoover Dale. Look how high that is.
Calling it Hoverdale.
Hoverdale?
Did you read the sign? It doesn't say Hoverdale. There's no L in the word. And it's not hover, it's hoover. Hooverdam.
There's Hoverdale.
Yeah, Hoverdale.
Ate, I'm gonna leave you right here. Make no one takes you.
Aria.
I wish I brought this one.
What I don't like is I'm not in behind. Yeah, but I don't really like.
Cam's 14.
Hey,
I'll
right.
show you to drive.
Okay.
You're not old
Come
enough
on, Arya,
to-
look. 1, 2. Let's do this. Ito na nga pala yung tinatawag nilang Hoover Dale. Kakadating lang namin dito, galing kami ng
Sure about that?
Paranaque.
Are you sure about that?
Tapos sumakay kami ng isang bus, isang eroplano, tapos kotse papunta dito sa Hoover Dale. Ano to? Anong tawag dito? Sabihin mo sa kanila.
Hoverdale.
Hoverdale daw, Hoverdale. Ewan ko kung ano to, pero mukhang nakikita ko to sa mga palabas. Itong lugar na to. Hooverdale. Anong masasabi mo sa Hooverdale?
It's beautiful.
Ganda ba? Ang ganda. Ayun pa. Ang dami mga bundok.
Hi, this is our view. You should come here.
May vlogger pa dun,
So you can see it
Ah.
since they look all the way across.
Oh, I see it.
Hooverdale.
Why would you
And the
skip it?
parking lot across it.
Then where are we
Right
going?
there. We're in the circle.
I wish I brought this one.
What I don't like is I'm not in behind. Yeah, but I don't really like.
Cam's 14.
Hey,
I'll
right.
show you to drive.
Okay.
You're not old
Come
enough
on, Arya,
to-
look. 1, 2. Let's do this. Ito na nga pala yung tinatawag nilang Hoover Dale. Kakadating lang namin dito, galing kami ng
Sure about that?
Paranaque.
Are you sure about that?
Tapos sumakay kami ng isang bus, isang eroplano, tapos kotse papunta dito sa Hooverdale. Ano to? Anong tawag dito? Sabihin mo sa kanila.
Hoverdale.
Hoverdale daw, Hoverdale. Ewan ko kung ano to, pero mukhang nakikita ko to sa mga palabas. Itong lugar na to. Hooverdale. Anong masasabi mo sa Hooverdale?
It's beautiful.
Ganda ba? Ang ganda. Ayun pa. Ang dami mga bundok.
Hi, this is our view. You should come here.
May vlogger pa dun,
So you can see it
Ah.
since they look all the way across.
Oh, I see it.
Hooverdale.
Why would you
And the
skip it?
parking lot across it.
Then where are we
Right
going?
there.
Nandito na nga pala kami sa Las Vegas. Lalaki pala ng mga ilog dito. Ayan. Tignan nyo to. Laki. Gabundok. This is higher than that one. Huwag ka na magpa-Hoover Dale dyan, ha? Nakakatakot. Look at this. Yeah, this is hot. This is.
Hey, I just had to stop at the restroom for like an hour or something. But now we start with all of them there, and they're so close. We take a break.
This is the real thing. This is the one that we see in movies.
This one right here, guys. Tignan nyo. Napakataas na ito. Yan pala, yung tinatawag na Hoover Dam talaga. Grabe.
That's so scary.
My God.
Smoking in there.
That is nuts.
We're not all connected.
Like the building's in the way.
Yeah.
This building right here.
We don't all fit. Yeah, that's curious.
Like somebody stand in front of us. Like, why don't we go over there?
Ito na nga pala yung ano, yung Hooverdale. Ayan.
Oh, there's
Sana wag mahulog to, dahil mahal to eh. Oh, you can go all the way up there. Weren't we there?
Did you hear what she said?
I don't know. I did not hear what she said.
left hook,
Ano
right
sabi
foot
mo?
levitate, hops down, easily go with the wind, and had lace my shoes for all the bus and the chase. Fall down to that situation to catch up. Go put some cheese on it, get out and get your bread up.
How do you know that?
How
How did I not know you know
Give me
that?
a picture.
Okay, ready?
Ready now. Oh, stop. Yeah, I want to do it. Right? Take another one and be ready.
Medium, not a ton.
I don't know which means 100.
Boom. Boom. Boom! Lobster, bye! Sino mahilig dyan? Kailangan matopa to. Yeah, grabe yun.
Bago po doon.
Ito na lang muna. Baka sobra-sobra. Kaya lagyan pa natin ng shell. Hindi na magkasya. Tapos ito pa. Overload.
Sabi ko namin, tatlo lang ilan pa lang tayo. Ayaw na ito eh.
Yeah.
Anim na lang yung darating eh.
Oh, yeah. Marami masyado. Pero yung sabaw, okay lang yan. Bukas, pwede pa lahat kahit umagahan pa. Sarap yun. Say hi. Say hi. Hi. Babe, say hi.
Oh, hi. I didn't even see that.
Okay.
Right here, say what's up to the vlog. What's up? Yeah, I'll take one. If you guys take one, I'll take one.
It's the same, it's just
Look
a
at-
different glass. It's just a different glass.
He wants to go to sleep again. He just woke up. Alright. Yeah, fill, you can fill it up. I'll take one.
Alright.
Who else?
And I hate this stuff.
Don't close it all the way. Like, I mean, like, legitimately leave a gap in the lid. Because if you don't, it's a pain to take.
Where's the orange juice?
Woo!
The orange juice?
I already drank all.
What? Do you chase this? What do you chase it with?
We don't have anything. Oh, we got milk.
Damn! I don't drink this stuff.
Oh,
I don't know. Take one. No, it's okay.
Yeah, you want Oak, right?
Oh yeah, Sprite. I'll take a Sprite, please. Hey, see, I don't. Hey, ask it, right? I don't drink this.
so who's gonna drive tonight?
Drive upstairs.
April, wow.
I'll carry him.
You want a shot?
Tito David. Tito David. Isa. Isa lang. Bawal. Bawal.
That's too strong.
No, he doesn't want to. He doesn't want to.
Yeah, just give it Lita. Here.
No. What? What? That's mine.
No, John, no.
Oh,
No, this is mine.
that was mine.
Only Lita. Very.
Oh. Yeah, I got it on the vlog. You know what I'm saying? I got to make my money somehow.
Get up. What?
Yeah.
What? I get. He has a couple drops. He gets.
Yeah.
Is it
That's a
good
little
too?
bit.
Yeah.
All right, guys. Nestorovia.
Pastarovin.
Gross.
Cheers.
Yes.
Cheers. Thank you.
Cheers.
Oh, that sucks. That sucks.
Nice, yes.
Golly, man. I feel like I got a wound that I got to clean or something. Damn.
That's like.
I'll keep this for later. I'll keep this. I'll keep the cup, the shot glass.
I'm not a drinker, so if I
BSOP, putay. Hennessy ba? Tatlong tao lang yan magtagay. Jeez! Oh, kilaw. Boom, baby. Ang Vegas, nagpakita. Wala sili? Okay. Mamaya, hindi ko muna ilagay. Ito ilagay. Kulang na lang dito. Puno ng buko ba para kutabato na ito.
Malagapas lang dati.
Malagapas na ito. Nakapunta ka na doon, tita?
Oo
Sa Malagapas?
Malit ako. Doon kami dinadala ni Ate Rose.
Wala pa ako.
Sunod kaya ako. Hindi, malit ka pa nun. Tuli ka nun.
Yeah.
Tito Jerry ka nun.
Hindi, ang naalala ko si Tito Jeric tinuli doon sa Bormaheco. Kamatis.
Oh, yun nga. Ikaw yung...
Kamatis. Gano'n, no? Nakapalda. Kamatis.
Tapos ako sunod-sunod lang ako kay Ate Grace. Pag pumunta Malagapas, sama-sama ako kay Ate Rose sa Kati.
Nakita ko si Julina, mukhang mukha ni Tita Grace. Grabe, no? Dalayin na dito yan. No? Busin natin yan. Utang ina, ngayon lang yan eh.
Nakakapin sa Pilipinas, no? Ang masarap sa atin, malapit sa gustong punta ng dagat.
Yan o, kailangan
Ka lang, di ba?
ma-touch yung apoy. Para masarap.
So ano yan? Ganun talaga yan?
Yeah. Parang sa kumbaga kung maalala mo sa Cotabato yung fruit stand na tinatawag yun, sa town. Puro talaga kahoy talaga ginagamit.
Si ano pa yan? Si Kuya Dave pa yan ang tawag nito, atsa-atsa.
Grabe may pangapala doon. Hindi ko alam, may pangapala doon.
Picture lang yan? Siya ba yung nagbungkal ng kahoy?
Utang. Exercise muna tayo kay matindi palang kainan to.
Ako, yan ang pinaka...
Oh, shucks. Naka-video yan, puta. Already yan, no? Nelson. Oh. Yeah, Ivan.
BSOP yan.
Noe. BSOP, lumalakas, Pampalakas pala yung BSOP. Puta. May video yan. Puta.
Kuya Joe, ulitin mo!
Video.
Ulitin mo!
Oh, it's gonna be a funny video.
Kuya!
Kanina pa ako nagre-record. Yeah. Yan na.
Just one.
Puta na. You know. Batang-bata.
Just one.
Dati, chin up ko dati. Dami, no? Pero ngayon,
Chin up. No, do one, Noe, do one. Do a chin up. Come on, you can do it. Come on, just do one. Come on, man.
Ano yan? Mahirap.
Mga teenager eh.
Ikaw.
The lasagna ones. Did you try it? Oh. Yeah, I can't believe it.
Hey, babe, can you find? Man, I don't know where I put it. The spatula thing. Right. Babe, kilo, right there. No? Ano, okay na kayo? Ilagay natin muna sa rep para malamig?
Yeah.
Lagay mo na sa rep. Grabe katangkad nito. Grabe, Nigel. He's like, whoa, what's your height, boy? What? No, ain't no way you're 5'10". Let me see, stand up. You are not 5'10". No, you're more than 5'10".
That's 5'10".
Really? But you're taller than him, though. Are you?
5'10", 5'11".
Oh, okay. So my son, I don't know if you met him. You probably haven't met him yet. He's 5'11". He's a little bit taller than you. But he's already like, he's 21. No, Elijah. Elijah's 5'11". But you still, how old are you? 13? 15. he's still growing. And he hoops, babe. He hoops. My son, Elijah, you're, wait, no, you're my cousin. So Elijah is your nephew, but I got my thing right there.
Babe, balik ka rin sa store. Tingnan natin.
Thank you. Hey, buddy.
Cheers.
Cheers. Golly, man. Fucking, you're going to drown. Jeez. Luckily, I got my soap.
Good thing I can chase my alcohol with more out.
Ah. Papsa.
Bili mo pa gas dati, doon ako sa Davao. Nagastos yun, 20,000, 30,000. Isang gastusan lang.
Copy ko lang, pero ano nangyari?
Kaya nga.
It's recording, right? It is recording.
Isa loan, 5 million man ata yan. Tinulong
Vlog yan, bro.
yung manager sa BPI.
Vlogger.
Kinuha niya.
Wala. Wala. Niloko lang din siya ng sa mga NBI.
Kanina, on the way dito,
Tapos nagsabi siya kay Irma, pero bayanin siya.
nakita ko may sign.
Tapos,
Turn right to Hoover Dam. Puta, hindi pa ako nakapunta dun ah. Tara. Punta kami.
dami-dami. Tapos pag
Hoover Dam.
Ang Pantasur ko dati.
yung makatulong niya doon.
Yun lang ang dadaanan mo. From Arizona, going to Vegas.
Ah.
Si Jeric.
So, busy-busy yung store namin dati.
Oh shoot. Doon. So kailangan mo pang taga dito ka na nun. Taga dito ka na nun. Pero taga dito ka na. Tapos kailangan mo pang pumunta doon.
Yeah, 30
Oh
minutes
shit.
drive. Yeah.
Yung mga katulong ni Jeric, sexy.
Yung
Tapos
dalawa.
nagbukas sila ng I-11, bypassing the
Si Jeric,
city.
baka shota mo yan, ha?
Okay.
Doon yung tindahan. Parang cars ba? Yung
Right. Yeah.
Nilo ng bahay sa kanila.
Damn, bro. Kailan yun?
500,000.
before
Sa
pandemic.
500,000.
Ah,
8
shit.
million.
That's crazy. 2019.
Matanggap ka ng
So ngayon, saan ka na ngayon?
60,000
Dito na ako sa tabi ng Orleans Casino.
Bakit 30,000 yung bayaran?
Mas malapit na to.
15 minutes.
Ah, okay.
Pagka puro ha. Negosyo daw, ganyan.
Ang inan to.
Kuya niya.
Wala masyadong wala system yung niya, negosyo.
Lalaking tao mo na.
Hindi marunong maghawak ng pera.
Yeah,
Jeric
ano ba
kasi
kaya?
masyadong galante.
Nandito.
Niloloko lang siya. Si Ruben nga, pag mag-inuman kami ng dalawa ni Jeric ang
Patay na.